In this lesson, I will show you how to add geometric relation manually. SolidWorks cannot assume all time that what type of geometric relation you want to put. So in that case, you have to put geometric relation manually. So I will create few line here. And when I am adding here continuously, SolidWorks adding few automatic geometric relation. I will create two more line in the side. So far SolidWorks added few geometric relations. Now I have to add few more geometric relations manually to get ultimate control on this sketch. To apply geometric relations manually, there is one tool is available inside this sketch tab. From this drop down menu of display or delete relation, you can use add relation. When I will activate this is asking me to put some entity to put the geometric relation. Let's say I want to make these two circles equal. I will select this circle and this circle. After putting these two, inside this next box, if there is any other geometric relation already there, existing relation, it will show you here, but there is no existing relation. At the bottom, inside this will also give you only the possible geometric relation between these two. Right now we cannot see the horizontal or vertical geometric relation because this is not possible between these two. Now if I select equal, that means I want to make equal these two. Also another thing you can see here, this equal is bold. That means SolidWorks assumes that you want to put equal, but SolidWorks is not sure. So I will select this equal. Now these two are equal. If you want to put more relation between these two, you can also apply this. That's why still this is showing. I will press OK. Now if I increase or decrease diameter of this circle, you can see both are changing both together. I will put few more geometric relation. This time I will not use add relation tool. This time I will use one shortcut which is very easy to use and very easy to remember. I will select this line. I want to make collinear relation between these two lines. So I selected it, then press and hold Ctrl key in your keyboard. Then select this line and move your cursor to somewhere else. Also release your Ctrl key. You can see there is one pop-up toolbar is open. At the top you can see all relations you are seeing here. All are possible relation between these two lines. But the problem is here you cannot see which relation means what. But if I hover over here, I can see it. So in that case, I can use from here. As a new user, this is important to learn which icon means which relation. So in that case, I will recommend you to use from here, not from that pop-up toolbar. So from here, I will use collinear. And this is collinear. Also another relation I want to put at the same time is equal. I am done, so I will press OK. This time I will add one center line. Now I will select these two circles by pressing Ctrl key in my keyboard. Also at the same time I will select this. And here you can see there is only possible relation is make symmetry. Also you can see from here. I will select this, press OK, and if I move one circle, you can see this is always symmetry. I will select midpoint of this line and this origin both together by pressing Ctrl key in my keyboard. Then I will select coincident. After putting few geometric relation manually, you can see you have very good control on your sketch.